Hello, you are welcome to today's lesson. My name is Paul Williams Ofori. Today we have science, an interesting topic for you today. Yes, so I want you to pay attention. Today's lesson is for class 1. If you are not in class 1, you can still enjoy it because class 2, class 3, class 4, 5 and 6, your teachers, if they have not taught you, you are going to learn this. So just pay attention. Look on the board. Today we are looking at strand 4, forces and energy. Forces and what? Energy. Sub-strand 2 is what? Electricity and electronics. We are looking at the indicator, which is know the importance of electricity and identify common household appliances that require electricity to work. So the main topic is this: importance of electricity. Today we are going to learn about the importance of electricity. We have heard about the electricity, but what are the importance of what? Electricity. So that's what we are going to look at. In this lesson, you will come across these words. The first one here is appliances. All of you, appliances. Again, appliances. The next one is electricity. Electricity. Say it after me. Electricity. Household. Household. I didn't hear. Household. Television. 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 News. 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 So you see, these are the words that we are going to find in the text. Or in the textbook. So I want you to pay attention. We will look at the meaning as the lesson continues. So let's continue. There are many items in our homes that we use every day. Some can be used if there is no electricity, and some can be used only when there is electricity. Take a look at these items. So we are saying that in our homes, there are some items that we have there. Some can only be used when there is electricity. For example, television. When it is light out, when the light goes out, can you use television? No, we cannot use it. Like the electric iron. When there is no light, can you iron your dress? No. It means that these items, they use what? Electricity. Do you get it? So we are looking at items or appliances that uses what? Electricity. So let's look at them. The first one is what? Electric fan. This is electric fan. Without electricity, you can't use this. Or you can use it. This is blender, electric one. Without electricity, you can't use it. Look at this microwave. Those who don't know microwave, this is how microwave looks like. Yes, we use electricity to power it. So without electricity, this thing will be there. You can't use it. We all know this. Television. You see, you watch news, football, and the rest. If there is no light, can you watch news? Can you watch football, movies, and the rest? No. So we use electricity to what? Power all this. We have electric burner. This one too, without electricity, it cannot work. There is another one here. This is iron. Every Monday, every Sunday, your uniforms, your parents iron them for you. But when there is no light, are they able to use this to do it? No. Without electricity, they cannot what? Iron it for you. So there is another one, speakers. Speakers also use what? Electricity. And then we have kettle. Kettle. If you want to prepare tea in the morning, you need to what? Heat your water using the kettle. This is rice cooker. You need what? Electricity before you can what? You can use this. This is what? Washing machine. You need electricity before you can use it. This is air conditioner. This is what? Air conditioner. So this air conditioner, you need what? Electricity before you can use it. So in our various homes, these are some of the appliances, electrical appliances or items that we use. We can only use these when there is electricity. But when the light goes out or when there is no electricity, we cannot what? Use these items. Okay, now let's continue. Can you use the above items if there is no electricity? The answer is no. These items need electricity before they can work or before they can be used. We call items which use electricity to work as electrical appliances. So any item that you use electricity before that thing can work is called what? Electrical appliances. Electrical appliances. So an item that uses electricity to work is called what? Electrical appliances. Let's continue on. Do you know other electrical appliances that are used at home, school, church, mosque, or market? So apart from these ones, do you know other electrical appliances? So mention them. I'm listening. Yes. You tell me later. Okay. I'll wait for you. So let's continue. Household or home electrical appliances are the appliances that we use at home. So household or home electrical appliances are the ones that we use at home. Okay, now let's continue. There are other appliances or devices that do not use electricity. So we are saying that there are some devices or appliances, for them, they don't need electricity. Whether there is light or there is no light, they don't care, they will work. So these are examples. Now, those who don't know this is what? Box iron. Those days, in the olden days, this is what they were using to iron your uniform. You put charcoal inside, and then the charcoal, because of the heat, it will make the iron hot, and use it to press your dress, to straighten it out for you. Those days, I remember I used this. Unfortunately, the charcoal removed and then it fell on my school uniform one Monday morning. You know, my father will not allow me to go to school if my uniform is not ironed. So every Monday, I don't know what happened that day. I'll tell you the full story later on. So let's come here. This one too, we can use it. It is what? Water pot. This is water pot. This is water pot. It doesn't use electricity. Have you seen this? Coal pot. Yes. This is where we prepare our food. You put charcoal here, then you fan this side, the fire, then the charcoal will be what? Burning. So this is coal pot for you. We have this one, sewing machine. So this one, we use the hand, you hold this side, then we turn it like this. Then your thing will be what? Moving for you. The next one is what? Lantern. Lantern. You just need kerosene. You open this side. You think I don't know this. You don't know it. Let me show you how to use it. There is something here. There is a hole here. You open here. And then you pour kerosene in. After that, you cover it. You see here, this side, there is cotton. It goes into the container here, into what? The container, so it absorbs the kerosene. So anytime you want to light it up, just strike your matches and then you bring the fire here. You cover it and it will be there. This we call it shade. So it doesn't use electricity. There is another one here. This is called what? Strainer. We use it to what? Separate items. Okay, so if you have a mixture and you want to separate it, you use this to separate it. This is gas stove. It doesn't use electricity. We have what? Sharpener. All of you, sharpener. So please take good care of your sharpener. Do you use electricity to sharpen your pencil? No. Whenever you want to sharpen your pencil, you go for the sharpener. The sharpener doesn't need electricity. So these are items that we use at home, in school and other places, but they don't use what? Electricity. You don't need electricity before these things can work. You don't need electricity before you can use any of these. But there are some things that without electricity, you can't use them. If there is no electricity, there is no way they will work. And we have learned those ones. And these ones too, they don't care. For them, they don't even know anything about electricity. Theirs is that just give them what they want. They don't need electricity and then they will work for you. Now, we have activity here. Sort the following items or appliances into two groups. Group A, those that use electricity. Group B, those that do not use electricity. So electric kettle, A or B? Box iron, A or B? So you can do this simple. Let's move on. Appliances and their functions. So we are looking at appliances and what they are used for. So the first one is electric iron. All of you, what do you use electric iron for? So it is used to iron our school uniforms, clothes, and the rest. The next one, fridge. You know fridge. What do we use fridge for? It is used to keep food cold and also to preserve it. If you don't want your food to go bad, you need to preserve it. Put it in the fridge. Okay, so the next one, washing machine. It is used to wash clothes. Television. It is used to watch news, movies, and programs. Speaker. It is used to entertain ourselves. So one Sunday you go to church, you see they'll be singing, the sound will be coming out of the speaker, or even in your hall. One day your father, will be playing music, and you see you get to hear the sound from the speakers, and then you entertain yourself. You become so happy. Electric fan. It is used to blow at air. We have kettle, it is used to heat water. Microwave, it is used to warm food. So these are some appliances that we use at home and the reason or the functions that they perform. Now let's come to this side, importance of electricity in the home. So if you are in the house and there is light, what are some of the things that you are able to do? If there is no light, or if there is no electricity, what are some of the things that you are not able to do? Okay, so let's look at importance of electricity in the home. Now the first one, it helps us to get light. So electricity helps us to get light. 2, it helps us to wash our clothes using washing machine. So if you want to wash your things, you want to use the washing machine. Without electricity, you cannot wash it. So we use it to wash our things using washing machine. Number 3, it helps us to cook food using cooker. So if you have rice cooker and you want to cook, you use electricity before you can cook your food. Now the next one, it helps us to preserve food. So electricity helps us to preserve food. It helps us to watch news, movies, and football matches. So if you want to watch football matches, you need electricity because your television cannot work without electricity. It helps us to play music. So if you have speakers, if you have these entertaining things there, so you use electricity before they can work. Now, think per share. In groups of 4 learners, discuss how daily living without electricity will affect our homes, schools, and industries. Share your thoughts with the class. So let me ask you, if you don't have lights, if you don't have electricity, how is it going to affect you? In the house, you go to school, there is no electricity. You come home, there is no electricity. Those who are manufacturing things, canned foods, those who are in the industries making all sorts of products, if they don't have electricity, what do you think will happen? Tell me. Okay, so let's see. Some things we cannot do if there is no electricity. So you should know that there are some things without electricity you can't do them. First one, we cannot watch news on television. So if there is no electricity, we can't do that. We cannot charge our mobile phones. We cannot get fresh and cool air from fans and air conditioners. 4, factories or industries cannot produce goods or products. So without electricity, our daily activities will be affected in many ways. So what we are saying is that electricity is so important that without them or without electricity, there are some things we cannot do. So what I am telling you is that make sure you make good use of the electricity. This time, parents use prepaid. They will go and buy prepaid and you use them anyhow. Please, as a child, you should learn how to conserve energy, how to make good use of the electricity that you have, because without electricity, there are a lot of things that you cannot do. So today, our lesson has come to an end. And we always end our lesson fully with exercises. So what we have learned today is that electricity is important. We use it to do so many things. We have some appliances that uses what? Electricity, and there are some appliances that do not use what? Electricity. We have seen all these ones. We have looked at the examples, and we are saying that electricity is so important. We use them to do so many things, and there are some things we cannot do if there is no electricity. So today we are saying that electricity is a form of energy that enables electrical items to work. Some homes or household appliances are kettle, washing machine, fridge, electric fan, and the rest. So now these are exercises. You can see exercise 1, 5 questions, exercise 2, 5 questions, exercise 3, 5 questions, exercise 4, exercise 5, home assignments 1, home assignments 2, and 3. So now let's look at home assignments 2. Draw and color one appliance that uses what? Electricity. Draw and color one appliance that does not what? Use electricity. So we are saying that you should draw and color. The next one is that tell your parents 3 things that will happen if there is no electricity at home. So these things are cheap, simple for you. As for the drawing, I know you can draw, or I should draw for you. Okay, because of time, I want to end the lesson here. Make sure you draw, and then you send your answers to me, especially the exercises. Make sure you do all of them. Remember that you can get all this information from Kokromoti series. We are on Facebook, we are on TikTok, and we are on what? YouTube. Search for Kokromoti series. Recommend the platform to your loved ones. We are here to teach you what you learn in the classroom. So we are bringing the classroom to the screen of your mobile phone. Make sure you always come here to learn something. My name is Paul Williams Ofori. Bye-bye.